Pass out there. I've just taken my breakfast and I'm ready to give you guys a breakfast too. You might be wondering um, the update I have this morning. Well, you might have heard about the current Trust Wallet hack, the Trust Wallet hack. Or maybe you might have even done it. Where is the Trust Wallet? You might have even done it. Okay, look at it here. Right now, if you look at this, my Trust Wallet, you will see that I have 1,000. Okay, 150. Okay, 18,000 is fluctuating. 18,000 USD as of my Binance value. It just decreased now. It was around 150 something thousand before, so it will be fluctuating. Now, you might be wondering, this money you are seeing here now, is it withdrawable or not? Well, nothing is impossible in technology. It is withdrawable. Many have even withdrawn, but there is a hack for it. Okay. There is a hack for it. Now, let's go for it. The process now will be on how to do this, and after that, I will now tell you guys. Well, that's by the way. That's later. Now, look at this. This is the Binance value I have here in my Trust Wallet. Now, if you want to do this, download a Trust Wallet. Once you download it, open it. If you open it, you click on already have an existing wallet. Once you click on it, you select the option for BNB Binance. You select the option for it, then you go and click on the address at the uppermost right corner. Click on the address. When you click on the address, you copy this BNB address here. You copy this BNB address. Where is it again? I'll paste the BNB address in the description. You copy that BNB address, put it on that address space. When you paste it on the address space, click on import, and that's it. Once you click on import, it will show you a watch only value here. That's a watch only BNB value that you cannot withdraw, but I'm telling you that you can withdraw it now, because I've seen those who have withdrawn it. So I'm telling you can withdraw it, but it's gonna cost you a lot if you are ready for it. Just chat me up. Now, this update is the latest update. I will even show you the APK file for withdrawing it right now. Look at it, best exchange. Is the APK file for withdrawing it. I'm not going to show you much, so for security reasons. Now, contact me for best updates. It will just cost you 200 USD.